नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो। I'm JVN डॉक्टर सुमन शेखावत, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ काय चिकित्सा, ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today we will discuss on stroke. This is stroke. A stroke occurred when a blood vessel in the brain ruptured and bleeds, or when there is a blockage in the blood supply of the brain. The rupture or blockage prevents blood and oxygen from reaching the brain's tissue. Symptom: stroke symptoms can include paralysis, numbness, or weakness in the arm, face, and legs, especially on one side of the body, trouble speaking or understanding speech, confusion, slurred speech, vision problems such as trouble seeing in one or both eyes, with vision blackened or blurred or double vision, trouble walking, loss of balance or coordination, dizziness, severe sudden headache with an unknown cause. A stroke requires immediate medical attention. Prompt treatment is key to preventing the following outcomes: brain damage, long term disability, and death. Sign and symptoms of a stroke in women. Women have a higher lifetime risk of having a stroke than men. While some stroke signs are the same in women and men, some are more common in women. Stroke signs that occur more often in women include nausea, vomiting, hallucination, pain, general weakness, shortness of breath, or trouble breathing, fainting or losing consciousness, seizure, confusion, disorientation, or lack of responsiveness. Sudden behavior changes, especially increase agitation. Women are more likely than men to die from a stroke. Symptom of a stroke in men. Fifth leading cause of death in men are more likely to have a stroke in other younger years than women, but they are less likely to die from. Men and women can have some of the same sign and symptom of stroke. However, some stroke symptoms occur more often in men. These includes drooping on one side of the face or an uneven smile, slurred speech, difficulty speaking, or trouble understanding other speech, arm weakness or muscle weakness on one side of the body. Type of stroke. Stroke fall into three main categories: transient, ischemic or ischemic stroke, and hemorrhagic stroke. Type of stroke. These categories are further down into other type of stroke including embolic stroke, thrombotic stroke, intracerebral stroke, subarachnoid stroke, and ischemic stroke. During an ischemic stroke, the arteries supplying blood to the brain narrow or become blocked. Become blocked. These blockages are caused by blood clot or blood flows that severely reduce. They can also be caused by pieces of plaques due to atherosclerosis is breaking off and blocking a blood vessel. And blocking a blood vessel. The two most common type of ischemic stroke are thrombotic and embolic. A thrombotic stroke happens when a clot forms in one of the arteries supplying blood to the brain. An embolic stroke is when a blood clot or other debris forms in another part of the body and then travel to the brain. An embolic stroke may be result of a heart condition, arterial fibrillation, A common type of irregular heartbeat can cause blood clot to develop in the heart. Transient ischemic attack, often called transient ischemic attack or mini stroke, occurs when blood flow to the brain is blocked temporarily. Symptoms which are similar to those of a full stroke are typically temporary and disappear after a few minutes or hours. A transient ischemic attack is usually caused by a blood clot or serve as a warning of a future stroke. According to CBC, more than one third of people with experience transient ischemic attack and don't get treatment have a major stroke within a year. Hemorrhagic stroke. A hemorrhagic stroke happens when an artery in the brain breaks upon a leaks upon a, a hemorrhagic stroke happens when an artery in the brain breaks open or leaks blood. The blood from that artery creates excess pressure in the skull and swell the brain, damaging brain cell and tissue. The two types of hemorrhagic stroke are intracerebral and subarachnoid. Intracerebral, most common, happens when the tissue surrounding the brain fills with blood after an artery burst. Subarachnoid, less common if causes bleeding in the area between the brain and the tissue covers it. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you feel any kind of problem with this session, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.